Medium objects are where photogrammetry gets exciting. Furniture, sculptures, bicycles, medium-sized machinery. These require you to move around the object, so let's talk strategy. Walk in a circle around your object, taking photos every few steps. Maintain roughly the same distance throughout. Do this at multiple heights. Crouching low, standing straight, and arms raised high. Aim for 60 to 100 photos minimum for a medium object. Height variation is key. The top of objects is often neglected. If you only shoot from standing height, you'll get holes in the top of your 3D model. Capture every surface that you want in the final model. Use a stepladder for tall objects if needed. Reflective surfaces like chrome, glass, or glossy paint are photogrammetry's enemy. They reflect different things from each angle, confusing the software. Use a dulling spray, temporarily removing the shine. Powder with talcum or baby powder, or simply avoid these objects till you're more experienced. Transparent objects are nearly impossible without special techniques. This includes glass. Keep your object filling about 60 to 70% of the frame. Don't get too close. Leave room around the edges. Use a small aperture for deep depth of field. Everything you want should be in sharp focus, no motion blur. Pro tip: shoot on a cloudy day outdoors or indoors with consistent lighting. Take extra photos of tricky areas. You can always delete bad photos, but you can't go back in time to capture a missed angle.